Hey guys, welcome back to a new update. Today we're going to be talking about an interaction system. So previously, let me spawn some items in the world. Previously, when we hovered over an item, it would be automatically picked up. But now, well, I am going to be having some of those, like some pickups will be auto pickup, but most of them will be interaction based. So now when you go in range of one of these, you will get a prompt here, press F to pick up test item 3 or whichever item that is. And if you press F, it goes into your inventory, just like with the auto pickup. Now, the way this works is when I have multiple of these in range, I am going to just be choosing the one that I am closest to. And that's the prompt you're going to get, and that's the one that's going to go in your inventory. However, there are a few ways to tackle this besides just getting the closest one. So let me just do this. Okay, so now I switched it to interaction cycling. So basically, if I only have one item in range, it's just going to be the same old prompt. But if I have multiple items, I'm going to get a prompt here that says press C. Well, it doesn't say press, but you press C to cycle to the next item. So now I have two items in range right here. If I press C, it cycles from one to another. If I press F, it gets the one there. And then if I press again, it takes the other one. Now, I'm not sure if I'm such a big fan of this. It's fine, but I don't really want to have multiple actions to just pick up items. So with that in mind, let me disable the interaction cycling thing. And now I'm still back to the closest one. I also made an option to pick up basically only what is in front of the player. So let's see, this is now in front of the player, right? If I put my cursor on the other side, it doesn't give me the prompt to pick it up. So if I am in between these two, there and there, right? Let me just show you how that looks. It's like a vision cone, just like this. So if something is in the vision cone, you get the prompt for it. There you have item 7, here we have item 6. If we have two items in the vision cone, it's just gonna take like the closest one, just like before. I can alter this vision cone. I can change its angle, make it smaller, make it like very precise. But it's like, if it's like very precise, then we're gonna have issues with like, you see, sometimes I think I'm gonna be picking that up, but sometimes not. If I make it like too big, then it's gonna be a bit weird because it's just gonna not let you pick up something that's right in the back of the player. So I went with something like 100 degrees, just like this, which is pretty good, I think, for what I want to make here. And I could pair this up with interaction cycling if I really want to, but I'm not sure if I really want to do that. So here we can choose between those two. If I only have one, you don't get the choice, right? I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go with the vision cone and no interaction cycling, and that should probably be enough to satisfy my needs for this mechanic. The idea behind this was that if I have like 2 or 3 items that are really close to each other, it's going to be a bit annoying for the player to actually pick up one specific item instead of like going through picking all of them up and then dropping what he doesn't want to. It's potentially still gonna have that issue if the items are like really on top of each other and you can't differentiate between them in any way, not within range, not within like the vision cone. But that's like a very, very less occurring thing. So I think it's gonna be fine as is. So yeah, that's the interaction system. It's pretty good. I think it's fine as is right now. And yeah. That's it for this update. See you at the next one.